Today we are going to discuss what is meant by critical value or significant value in testing of hypothesis. Let us see definition. The value of the test statistics which separate the critical region from the acceptance region is called critical value, otherwise significant value. So here we have three different type of significant. One is 1%, second one 5%, third one 10%. So we have to define a level of significance for three different tests. So first we have two-tailed test for level of significance is 1%, 5% and 10%. Let us see two-tailed test for 1%. Critical value is 2.58. Similarly, 5% 1.96 and 10% it is called 1.28. So coming to one-tailed test, we have two different type is there, right hand side and left hand side. Let us see right hand side one-tailed test for 1%, 2.33. Second one 5% it is called 1.45 and third one it is called 1.28. Okay. Coming to left hand side one-tailed test means we write negative right hand side value. That means modulus of Z alpha equal to minus 2.33 and second one minus 1.645 and third one 1.298. So these are the level of confidence for 1%, 5%, 10% for large problem. Okay. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.